Hey, UC Davis Health. You may have seen these structures around and you're wondering, what are these for? Well, let me introduce you to our state-of-the-art bike shelters. These shelters have surveillance cameras, are well lit, and require badge access to keep you safe. There's a place for every type of bike. We have vertical bike racks that are super simple to use.
To begin, you simply stand your bike on the back wheel and walk your bike to the wheel slot. Make sure the front wheel is aligned and hooked in the slot. And that's it. Simple and effortless. Vertical bike racks allow more storage, so there's plenty of room for everyone.
We get it. Some days it's very hard to find parking on campus, but definitely not here.
When the day is done, unlock your bike, unhook the front wheel off the racks, and slide it back down.
All right, let's see if we got everything here. Bring your badge, vertical racks, security cameras. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Don't forget your helmet.